Hey everyone, so welcome back to the Style News Network. Today we're going to be taking a look at some dope short hair ideas. We have our first hair transformation. Like she is getting some color, a little bit of a trim and some color. Ooh. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. I thought she was about to go with like a natural hairstyle, but she got a pixie and she went platinum. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous, and you know I love platinum on dark skin. I just think it makes the complexion pop, gives you that beautiful glow. Look at that sheen on the hair. Oh, so beautiful. Look at this. With the lashes, and then she's got the nude lip. This is super cute. So moving on to the next hairstyle, we have a Mixie cut. This is also known as a mullet. Very cute style. It's definitely trending right now. So if you want something new for the spring season, definitely try out a Mixie. Now you can do like my girl here and rock it out with a wig, or you can get you a sew-in. So here we have someone who is styling their pixie. Now she calls this the awkward phase, but honestly I think this is a cute little lane. She did a half up, half down style. And then we move into this classic all black pixie. Beautiful mix of waves and curls here. Followed by this salt and pepper pixie. She's got the mohawk style going there down the center. Color looks absolutely radiant. Next up, we have another pixie, all black with the curls. Ooh. So we have two naturals here, the stylist and the client. It looks like she's doing a taper cut style here. I really like her hair color. Beautiful mix of blonde. Really has a nice dimensional tone to it. And her curls look so beautiful, so soft and fluffy. And then we move on to this reddish brown bob style. Followed by this layered blonde haircut. Definitely a cute hairstyle for the summertime. I love the color. And then we have another play on the Mixie trend. This is also known as a Pixie cut. I might do a whole video on the Pixie trend because it is definitely heating up for the summer season. So be on the lookout for that if you are into this kind of shape and style. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and I will see you in the next one.